Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to change name servers on Porkbun. So step number 1, log in. You should arrive at the domain management screen if you've already logged in. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Step number 2, locate the domain for which you wish the change name servers. Click the details drop down button to the far left of the domain name and locate the name servers field. Then click the edit icon. A pop-up window should appear with your current name servers. This list specifies DNS servers will be queried when a user looks up your domain. If you've never changed this setting before, the list is pre-populated with Porkbun name servers. Step number 4, remove all of the existing entries and add the desired name servers, one per line. Click the submit button to save your changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.